Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class, in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about an indictment. Think of it as an official way of accusing someone of a crime. But it's not just as simple as saying, hey, you did something wrong. There's a legal process behind it, and it's different depending on where you live. Let's start with this. An indictment is a formal document that says someone is being charged with a serious crime. It's like the government saying, we believe there's enough evidence to move forward with a criminal case. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. Different states in the US handle this process differently. Some states are what we call grand jury states, while others use a process called information states. In a grand jury state, the decision to formally accuse someone comes from a group of regular people, called a grand jury. These jurors review evidence presented by a prosecutor and decide whether there's enough reason to charge someone with a crime. If they agree, they issue an indictment. The key thing here is that this process is secret, and the person being accused usually doesn't get to defend themselves at this stage. In an information state, it's a little different. Instead of involving a grand jury, the prosecutor presents the evidence to a judge in what's called a preliminary hearing. The judge reviews that evidence and decides whether there's enough to charge that person. If the judge agrees, they issue a document called an information, which serves the same purpose as an indictment. The big difference is who decides, a group of people, the grand jury, or just one judge. But the result is the same, a formal accusation that starts the process of a criminal case. I hope that clears things up. Legal terms can seem complicated, but they're all about making sure things are done fairly.
Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.